It is time for the main event.
Hello, everybody. Today we're going to learn how to make a video landing page. So once you're logged on to Command, you're going to go down to Consumer and click on that and head over to Landing Pages. Then we're going to hit Create a New Site. And when we do that, we get to choose if we want to throw it on our agent site or if we want it as a standalone page. So pick one and hit Create Page. And then we're going to go with my standard 3-prong content block widget attack mode. And we're going to put 3 things on this landing page. For me, I always like a lead form at the bottom. So I'm going to do that first and drop that in. Then I want video or content to be in the middle. And then at the top, I want it to be branded with me. So I'm going to put that there. Now, what I suggest you do is you configure your widget so that you can customize this. We hit configure widgets. We're going to start with the content. So we go to video first. I have a YouTube video of mine up, so I'm going to go on over there and I'm going to copy that URL because that is what we're going to use for content here. We're going to use a video URL and drop that link inside. My headline is going to be the address, which is 10036 El Caballo. And then if there is a description that you want to write, you can do that. Then I hit save and apply. Then we're going to head on over to the lead form. And if you want to change this, you can. Make it say whatever you'd like, save and apply, and that's going to edit that. And then we are going to scroll up and go to the first one, branded header, and we can put whatever we want in there. So 10036 El Caballo. Make sure that our headshot, our name, our phone number, our email, and everything is correct. Then we're going to hit save and apply. And when we do that, we now have our landing page. So we're going to name it so that we can find it when we save it. And then we're going to preview it, make sure it looks good on a computer, on a tablet, and on a phone. And once that is all done, we're going to hit publish page. Yes, we do want to publish it. And then this bad boy is going to go live. So now this landing page is live. We can click on it. It's a real live thing that we can watch. And when we click on the video, it's going to link us to YouTube and start playing that right away. So pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this. I have plenty more coming, so stay tuned. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Follow me, follow me.